Hello all, welcome to Instacort Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. Today I am going to walk you through the product Lutron AQ9901 SD air quality meter. We are unboxing this product. Got with the carrying case which has calibration certificates and operation manual in it. Here you can see the product. This is a meter, air quality meter, and here are probes which we will get with the instrument. We got a back stand with this. Coming to the technical specifications of this product, here we got the display with 52 mm and 38 mm, and the measurement is it can measure carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen in air, humidity, dew point temperature, wet bulb temperature, and also temperature. Coming to the sensor structure of this product, CO2 is non-dispersive infrared sensor, humidity is precision capacitance sensor, and O2 is galvanic cell type. Coming to, it also has data logging feature with which you can data log automatically or by manually also. And for the data error is 0.1%, and we have got memory card also, SD card. The capacity is 1 GB to 16 GB. We do have advanced settings like SD memory card format, set clock time, set sampling time, auto power off, and set beep sound on or off, decimal point of SD card, temperature unit setting, alarm value setting, etc. And also we have data hold feature with which freezes the display reading. Coming to the memory call, maximum and minimum values are displayed in memory recall. Coming to the sampling time of display, it is approximate 1 second, and data output can be through RS-232 or USB PC computer interface. Coming to the power supply, it has alkaline or heavy duty DC 1.5 volts batteries with 6 pieces. Coming to power current, for CO2 measurement, it is 135.5 DC. And coming to humidity, it is 10.5 microamperes. And if LCD backlight is on, the power consumption is more. Coming to the operating conditions of this meter, operating temperature is 0 to 50 degrees centigrade, and operating humidity is less than 80% RH. And the weight of this meter is 350 grams. Coming to the accessories, it has an instruction manual, hard carrying case which you have seen before, and also CO2 probe, oxygen probe, humidity probe, and also we have got this CO probe which you can see here. And this is about technical specifications. Let us come to the functionalities. Coming to the panel description, here we have the display with the keys, power key, hold or escape key which holds dual function, and this key is for recording or entering. This is the alarm functioning, and this is a function which we can set like CO2 monitoring or O2 monitoring, etc. And here this is a time which we can set here time, and this is a logger setter for data log setting. And this here we find a battery compartment. This is a back stand. Here we do have SD card compartment, and also here we can find 9 volt adapter, and then output RS-232 and also reset. Coming to the functionalities, I'm gonna power it off. Present it is showing O2. We can on or off the backlight. Let's connect the probes. You can see this is a carbon dioxide probe. I am connecting it to the input jack at carbon dioxide. And similarly we can connect three probes at a time. Next, the probe is oxygen. Let me connect it. We can connect oxygen or CO2 here. And next it is humidity. This is the sensor. I have connected all the probes. One is humidity and one is, we have connected the probes. This is a humidity probe, humidity sensing area, and the probe here input jack, and this is CO2 probe, and here this is the oxygen one. Here you can see, and this is a CO probe, and this is a CO sensing head. This should be phased. Now coming to the measuring, switch on the, let's come to the function. Present, it was recording. I just turned off. It is showing RH, dP, Rydberg temperature, CO2 readings. Currently it is 1098, and CO oxygen readings it is showing as we connected oxygen probe. This we can monitor dew point temperature, Rydberg temperature, CO2, CO, etc. We can also change the readings from degree centigrades to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to degree centigrades. Coming to this, I have already explained you about the probes. Now getting into the working function, the meter can plug in maximum 3 probes at the same time, but it can show only one monitoring unit. Either it may be humidity or CO2, or it may be, we do have data holding function also. During the measurement, just press the hold button, and once it will hold the measured value, and the LCD screen will show a display as hold. You can see this here. It is holded value 61.1. Now it is in reading mode. And coming to the data record, the data record function records the maximum and minimum readings. Press the record buttons once to start the data record function. Just now the value is recording. If you press it once again, it will show maximum value, and this is the minimum value recorded. And if you press it continuously for just 2 seconds, the record will be in off. And coming to the LCD backlight, you have already seen, just pressing the power button, you can switch it on or off. And now coming to the data logger, here you can see the time set. For data logging, we need to have that SD card. Right now we don't have. Let us see other options. For time setting, I have already set the time. This is current date. Dew point. Now we can set it SD, F, S or no, which means to start and if we set it, this is the date, you can set 17, currently it is 18, I am not setting it. For it, set point, we can set the time. For beep sound, yes or no. This is the beep sound, and this is a decimal point. If we insert the SD card, then this function plays role. And this is alarm function, high, low, and at last if we escape this, we are acknowledging it, the savings. Now we can see this. Currently it is in hold. I'm switching it off. Now CO2. It is showing ppm. Let's see the other readings. Function, CO. We didn't connect the CO, so that it is not showing the values. Oxygen, connected the probe. The current reading is 16.1. And for RH, here is a humidity sensor. It is showing 61.6 RH. This is a plug and play device. And coming to the accessories, we have, as I said, we have got a carrying case with a calibration certificate and an operation manual. Here are the sensing probes. This is the product. For more details about this product and for more technical information about this product, please do visit www.instrucod.com. Thanks for watching.